Take a ride in the 2018 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, power liftgate, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.